Hello everyone, welcome to our fluid art tutorials. So first we take a cup and pour our paints in ring form one by one. So guys, it's also very important to shake our colors before pouring it in our cup to get a uniform liquid. So now then I'll be pouring on red some white, and maybe then next I'll be pouring some purple lavender, and then I can also add few drops of white again, and or we can directly pour some few drops of yellow, and maybe then some more white, and then I'm going to pour some red. No, let's just keep it this way and pinch our cup like this, and I'm going to pour my paint on my surface in a circular ring formation again. And as you can see how the colors are blending among each other. So this is the reason why we added white. When you add white, as you can see, you are going to get many color palette of the same color, many shades of the same color, and it's going to blend very nicely. So you can play around with your paints in circular motion and see how beautifully the colors are spreading and the textures are forming. I really love the way, and each time we do it we get some other pattern, different patterns, and these are called dead spots where I don't know why the paint is not willing to go at all. So what do? We can again put some paint from the cup, and on these top pots I am putting directly from my paint tubes on my surface and not doing that ring formation. But now see, I can create more textures with different tools as well. As for example, here I've taken some ice cream sticks and I am just helping my colors to spread a little in some random direction with circular and some maybe some spirals or some lines diagonally straight, and then again I'm going to make the paint flow here and there, and it's beautiful. It goes very nicely. You can use many things at your home to create different texture. That you can also use a small stick or a pen riffle to get more finer lines for this thing. And now also I'm going to show you one more step how you can do like different effects. Again I'm pouring paints in a ring form, and you will see what I do next is in this step I'm taking more of whites and then the same color combination, and I've taken the same color base and I'm going to pour it in circular motion again.
अच्छा लाया नहीं कि आप तो अच्छा कपड़ा पहन के आते हैं, और ऊपर में आपको एक अच्छा कपड़ा रख के रखने बोला था वो
So as you can see, I have done this similar color combination, and still you can, this time I am creating patterns with the help of ice cream sticks more, not the swirly pattern and some zigzag patterns or random patterns I can see, and I'm trying to mix colors with the ice cream stick, and you can see it's looking again very lovely. And now I'm going to create magic. I'm going to create one dark color and make a horizontal line with it, and then I can take any credit card or any film sheet or any piece of paper, and I'll just drag the darker color on this my panel in a random way, and as you can see few drops and cell like structure is coming, and as it dries it's going to create very lovely pattern, and you'll just love the way it has come. And I'm going to dry it with my hair dryer, and you can see how the colors are going to dry. The top layer is going to dry, and the cracks have already started coming, and the beneath layer you can see it's looking lovely. I post a picture when it's completely dry after this video. You can also dab with your fingers to get different texture and smudge the paints according to your wish and spread it nicely like this. And you can also use straws to get another texture. So there are many tools at your home which you can use to get your fluid art, different kind of fluid art. On this paper we are creating another kind of fluid art again. So what we are doing, we are pouring some paints randomly on paper, and then with the help of this glue gun, hot air gun or hair dryer, you can help the paint to go in different directions, and they create beautiful abstract art like this. Now in this cup also I have taken the paints in ring form, and then when your surface is narrow you will not pour the paints in the circular motion, and here I am just making few lines with the paints on the surface, and still you will get amazing ring kind of effect. This was done by my 4-year kid, and he decided that he will blow the paints with a straw, and then he started blowing it, and then just look at the effect what